Okay, today we're at the Arroyo Grande Cars and Coffee here. A few cars for sale today, so I'm just going to show you what we got on offer. So we have a Buick. Doesn't look too bad. Paint's not great, but still not bad. But for sale. Inside. Okay, so the Buick was $15,000, and next to it we have a Ford Thunderbird. This one is $15,500. There's the motor, it's pretty clean. It's a picture of the other side here.
Karen knows dogs, that's for sure.
Trunk's huge.
I come here for the car, she comes for the dog show.
Trunk. Okay, we got another one here for sale. Now, I did hear somebody talking a little bit earlier that this one, they were asking 40, but I can't be sure about that because it doesn't have a price on the for sale sticker. But pretty good looking car. Nice paint job actually on this. So there we go, for sale. Again, not sure the price on that. Nice motor, all fixed up. Got another one here for sale. Wow, it's a grocery getter. It's the inside. Don't know the price of that one, doesn't have anything on the for sale notice. Okay, this one's not for sale, but I just wanted to show this one. This one is a Ford Ranchero here. Really clean. The guy was saying that he's had all the interior done and it's all been fixed up, but pretty nice car. It's got the V8 in, not sure what motor. It says 260 on the side. Don't know if it's original, but it's pretty clean. 4-speed manual transmission, but really clean car.